Hey, what's going on guys? Sandeep here, and sometimes you are connected to a Wi-Fi network on your Windows PC but don't know the password. So you can uncover the password of connected network or the network which you ever connected to your Windows PC. But if you are looking to hack into someone's Wi-Fi network, then this is not the right video. You can exit out now. So you can uncover the Wi-Fi password of the connected network by going to control panel. So just go to start and search for control panel. Once you are in control panel, you need to open network and sharing center. And here you will find your Wi-Fi network under view your active networks. So you just have to click on your Wi-Fi network. You will find your Wi-Fi name there. Click on that option and then you will get Wi-Fi status dialog box. And here click on wireless properties. Then go to security tab and check this box show characters, and the network security key is your Wi-Fi password. So you can uncover your Wi-Fi password this way. You can use this password to connect other devices. So this is a simple and graphical user interface method to uncover the Wi-Fi password. But you can also uncover the Wi-Fi password using the command prompt. Go to start and search for CMD and click on run as administrator. Click on the yes option you will get on the screen. And on the CMD you need to type netsh then space wlan then space so then space profiles and hit enter on your keyboard, and it will show you the current Wi-Fi network and all the Wi-Fi network which you ever connected. You will see all the network profiles listed there. And you can uncover the password of every network which you ever connected to your Windows PC. For this example, I am going to use this network. So I will uncover the password of this network by typing netsh then space wlan space so profile then space name equal to Wi-Fi SSID, that is Wi-Fi name, then space key equal to clear and hit enter on your keyboard, and it will show you the Wi-Fi settings, different Wi-Fi information, profile information about the Wi-Fi network, and the security settings. And this key content is your Wi-Fi password. So you have to find the key content under security properties, security settings, and you can uncover the password using this way. But if you want to uncover the password of all the Wi-Fi network or find the settings of every Wi-Fi network ever connected, then you can open the CMD as admin. Then you can execute the first command netsh space wlan space so space profiles to list all the Wi-Fi profiles in your Windows PC. Now you can export all the Wi-Fi profiles with all the settings by typing netsh then space wlan space export then space profile then space folder equal to the drive or folder where you want to export all the Wi-Fi profiles. In this case, I am going to use the C drive, the root of C drive. You can change it to anyone. Then colon backslash then space key equal to clear. Then hit enter on your keyboard. Now it will export all the Wi-Fi profile information in XML format in the root directory of C drive. So let's open C drive. Let's go to folder and this PC and C drive. Now you can see that I am getting those two profiles. Since I have connected this virtual machine with only two networks, so I am getting only two Wi-Fi profiles. And you can open this XML file using Notepad or the browser, and you will get tons of information about that Wi-Fi network, and this key material is your Wi-Fi password. So this is helpful if you are doing some troubleshooting with your network, like you were able to connect to some old network but not able to connect to new Wi-Fi network, then you can find the older settings and apply to newer Wi-Fi network. So this is helpful if you are doing some network troubleshooting. And that's all for this video guys. Hope this helped. If so, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Also press the bell icon to get notified about new videos, and I will see you in my next video.